May I know your complete name, ma'am?
I'm Divya Bedi Verma.
Where do you live in Delhi?
I live in east part of Delhi, Parpadganj.
How old is your child?
My child is 9 years old.
What were you looking for your child?
I was looking for my child where he could have a holistic development and be a global citizen.
So what all were you looking for your child basically? What school institutes were you looking for your child?
I looked for a few schools. I applied in MAT Noida, DPS Noida and APJ Noida.
Apart from these schools, any other schools did you consider for your child?
Not really. I think these are among the good schools and which are near to our vicinity and should be, like one of them would be happy where my child could join, and I think he got admitted in 2 of them. So we finally chose one.
So which one did you finally choose and why?
I chose DPS Noida personally because we had a personal experience because my younger sister studied there. That was one, and then and we find her pretty good in whatever she does. She's a lawyer, so with her personal experience, we did choose that school.
So how has your experience been with DPS?
Because my younger sister is just 10 years younger to me, and one of her years she studied in my school in which I was there. So I could compare the difference in the education system, what they follow, the influence, quite a practical approach, quite an influence on reading, the conceptual value is good as compared to some different school. I don't think they're rushing in the beginning because what we generally school class first student would be learning tables and doing whatnot without any concepts, but I think they are doing it very gradually in concepts, so that's where they create a good base for a child. So I think that's really good about it.
What are the 2 things that you really liked about Delhi Public School? Any 2 things?
Yeah, I think they give a good base and influence on some practical aspects. That's more important for any child, to be a good person rather than good in studies.
So how likely would you be to recommend Delhi Public School to other parents as well? If I say on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 is for least recommendation, 5 is for highly recommendation.
Personally, I think every school is fine. It's like we should not compare between the students or between our children and between the schools. It's your child could get an opportunity in one school and he could not get in other. That does not mean that other school was too good where he could not get fitted. So I think wherever your child fits in, that's important. And then wherever he fits in, you should be happily adapting.